Kelor Tourism Village is located in Kelor Hamlet, Bangunkerto, Turi District, Sleman Regency, Yogyakarta. In terms of location, it has a typical rural nature that is still maintained. The majority of the population of Kelor Village work as farmers, breeders, and some run businesses such as mushroom cultivation. The plantation that is the mainstay is the salak plantation. The existence of farmers who grow the salak then makes Turi District one of the salak-producing areas. The environment of the Kelor Tourism Village is very comfortable, clean and neatly arranged. The expanse of green trees becomes a shooting backdrop for your visit. In addition, of course, the friendliness of the residents who are an integral part of tourism activities. The existence of a tourist village cannot be separated from the participation of the population. This makes the concept of a sustainable tourism village for the natural environment and humans, a tourism management concept that is our common focus for long-term and sustainable goals. Rural nature tourism. One that is now a tourist attraction is the beauty of tourist destinations. Saturation from the hustle and bustle of everyday urban life, it is necessary to take a break for a while. It's no wonder that the end of the tourist village then undergoes this life activity, or stays and mingles with the community for a long time from tourism in general. Being part of the community, living mingle with society, feeling how nature supports every step of life is something that we will not get if we only live in the confines of skyscrapers. A calm, peaceful, and beautiful atmosphere we will only get when we go out, looking for rural tourist destination. Well, all of that you will find one of them through this Kelor Sleman Tourism Village. Through its green and beautiful natural scenery, the sound of birds, fresh air all day long, the sound of nature, splashing water, we will feel all together in a life that is free from routine. Educational and outbound tourism. Traveling while learning or traveling while playing is now the right choice for those of you who want to travel with your family and bring your children. Likewise, when in a work group or school and campus events. Traveling is not just coming and taking pictures, but taking various new experiences. Well, you can get at Kelor Tourism Village. Various facilities support outdoor activities. The arena of outdoor activities or outbound Kelor Tourism Village has so far been the location of choice for various communities, families, schools, campuses, companies to hold various events. Of course, with educational tours wrapped in various games or interesting games. Down the river Kelor Tourism Village. Kelor Tourism Village has a river that is still very well preserved, namely the Gendol River. Gendol River become one of the tourist attractions. It would be a shame if you visit and don't enjoy the cold and clear flowing water of this river. Playing in the river is one of the fun activities.
Kita di desa ini tapi ada
Camping in Kelor Tourism Village.
satu
Kelor Tourism Village has a camping area, which can be for your individual or group activities. Camping is indeed one of the interesting activities in traveling, especially for those of you who do have a long vacation time. Enjoying the evening, burning with friends, exchanging stories directly under the umbrella of the night will certainly be an unforgettable atmosphere. Thus the discussion this time about the Kelor Tourism Village, Turi, Sleman, Yogyakarta. Hopefully it can be a reference for your destination. Kelor Tourism Village, Sleman, Yogyakarta. Wonderful Indonesia!